If you are staring at your retirement account and panicking because you feel like you started too late, stop. Standard financial advice is completely broken for you. You do not have 40 years to sit around and wait for compound interest to do its thing. You need an engine that physically deposits cash into your account, starting roughly 30 days from today. No fluff. Here is the exact blueprint. Standard advice often suggests waiting decades to see returns. Instead, we are looking at a strategy targeting an 8.5% monthly yield, designed to provide regular cash deposits every 30 days. Here is the brutal truth for late starters. Traditional index investing is mathematically too slow. On the flip side, hoarding cash guarantees inflation will eat your wealth, and swinging for the fences with crypto or risky options usually ends with your account at zero. The modern fix? We are going to build an income and growth barbell strategy using high-yield covered call ETFs. The three-part blueprint includes 3 distinct funds. JEPI acts as the foundation, JEPQ serves as the accelerator for higher payouts, and AVUV provides a growth component with a focus on small-cap value. Look at the math. The S&P 500 pays a miserable 1.3% yield. Traditional bonds might get you 4%. Our barbell engine targets roughly 8.5%. That is nearly 6 times the immediate cash flow of a standard index fund, hitting your account every 30 days, without you having to sell a single share. But having the engine isn't enough. If you want this to eventually replace your salary, there is one non-negotiable rule. Do not spend the cash yet. You must go into your brokerage settings and turn on DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. This tells your broker to automatically use your monthly payouts to buy more shares. This creates a ruthless, unstoppable snowball effect that scales your monthly income completely on autopilot. You now have the exact engine, but if you build this in the wrong type of account, the IRS is going to tax your monthly income into absolute oblivion. Hit subscribe right now because in part 2, I am showing you the exact account structure to make this portfolio 100% tax-free. I'll see you in the next video.